Welcome friends, in this tutorial I want to show you where you can download drivers for your Chromebook. If you have a Chromebook, whether it's Lenovo or Dell, and probably you've upgraded to Windows 10, you want to look for a way to find drivers for you. So this is the site to go. Once you type this site on your browser, this is where it will take you to, and when you get here you will see information about if it's for Windows 10 or any other model. Then here you have the option to view the status. So status here will enable you to see different model of Chromebook that is supported on this platform, where the drivers are available. Like you can see from here, the boot, the touchpad, touch screen, audio, and the rest of them. And so once you find your model, then you can now return back and click on install. So once you click on install, this is where it will take you to. So you choose your model. In this case I was working on Dell Chromebook 11, so click on Dell and click next. So once you click next, it will ask you to choose your processor type. So how do you view your processor type? Just right click on your start menu, click on systems, and when you click on systems you can see your processor type from here. So for the Chromebook that I was working on, the processor side was Intel Celeron N2830 2840. So I choose that and I click next. So on clicking next, it shows the model of the Chromebook that I was using. So I click next, and clicking next takes me to a section that has drivers for different hardwares that are in the in the Chromebook. So for example, my sound was not working, and also I have problem with the touchpad. So all what I needed to do was to click here and click on link to download the software. The same thing with sound, click download link. But something else, installing those two alone did not solve the problem for me, so I had to come over to upgrade firmware. So upgrade firmware, and now click on the link here to download an upgraded version of the firmware, and that enable my sound and my touchpad to come on, and the system just started working as usual. So you can use this to find drivers for any version of your Chromebook. Thank you for listening.